Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a little bit of a different video. I've done one of these in the past, but my planning style has changed immensely, so I wanted to go ahead and do a kind of updated version. So this is how I pre-plan, and kind of how I pre-plan now is just kind of like pulling everything out to start my spread. And whenever I say start my spread, I mean get my basics down. So this is like the start of my spread. I like to do this on Saturday or Sunday, kind of whenever I have a little bit of downtime. Usually when Bennett is taking a nap, I like to sit down and do this. I kind of try and save it for like a good moment. If you guys do planning this way, you know what I mean, like a good moment, like when you need it. You know, the time when you need 30 minutes to just decompress and spend some time with your planner. So let me go ahead and show you. So normally first what I do, but I already did this, is I go to my kit binder, which looks like this. I think I did recently do a video on kind of my storage, and this is my storage where I keep all of the kits in order of when I plan to use them. So this is the kit I'm using next week, so it's December 10th to the 16th. I do have these little marble labels in the shop. I think those marble labels go up till April, and then I will have the next set of them available. I think I'm going to put them out next week. I'm going to have 2 more sets available. So in that little pouch, normally I have the kit, the glitter sampler, if there's fashion boxes, and then sometimes I save the bows. I'm probably not going to use the bows this week, so I'm just going to put them in my I don't need pile. Also recently we have been releasing the 15mm strip of washi, and then I did have a couple of other things in here that I already pulled out. So this was Marg's PR freebie. We've switched to foiled ones, but I feel like the colors kind of match, so I went ahead and pulled this out. I had these tucked in here. Whenever I do like hauls and I have some seasonal items, I try to kind of like distribute them into the kit so I don't forget I have them. And this is Simply Watercolor Co. and they're little snowflake corners. And then I already had these out because these were just released last week, so I just kept them out rather than putting them away. But I do keep all of my little sampler sheets inside one of these marble albums, which are in the shop. So I have all the work ones here and then all of the food related ones there. So many more to come of these, by the way. I actually need to bring more home of these because I'm kind of going through them pretty quickly. And then I did also pull out the gold Once More With Love PR freebies. So this is what our PR freebies used to look like. We printed them in shop, but now we have foil ones. So, you know, the design might change, but they will be foiled unless we run out and we have to like subsidize with these, but I don't see that happening. I've ordered quite a few to stock up. So I do have some bow headers here, and then you have some munchkins. So this is Once More With Love, or OMWL10, and it gets you 10% off of $30 as a coupon code, and then you'll also get this sampler. So that is everything that I have in my little like pouch inside. So if you can see, if I go in here and I pull out, let's say this one, which I'm using for Nick's birthday week. Back here I have the 15mm strip of washi. I have the glitter sampler in here, and then I also have my sampler, which went with the kit, and then not went with the kit, but it, you know, it was the theme. I've had this Simply Watercolor Co. foiled basic sheet, another one of these snowflakes, and then I also pulled out these Sticky Committee snowflake headers. So it doesn't also necessarily mean that I'm going to definitely use these items, but it's just kind of a reminder, like, hey, you have them, so you could use them if you wanted to. So that is kind of where I start, and then I kind of have to look and see where we need to go next. So normally to plan the week, I like having, you know, some foil items. So I have these, I have a little sampler. So next thing that I'm going to need, and I kind of just go, you know, across, is I look in my taller foil album. So this is from Happy Scrappy. This is her Once More With Love collab in one of her jumbo albums. If you want to see a jumbo album versus a small album, let me pull this guy out. Jumbo album versus the small album. So you can see the size difference. So in here I keep all of my larger foiled sheets. I'm pretty sure I want to use this bottom strip. This is what the washi looks like, but I think it could use a little pizzazz. So I'm thinking about using bows. I do have 3 different options in the shop currently. So I have stars, which would look cute too, hearts, and bows. But I think I'm just going to stick to the bows because I feel like these kit colors are a little bit more neutral. So I think bringing in the bows will make it a little bit girlier. I already used 1 strip of this. It was actually a glam planner spread, so I didn't need all of this one because I didn't do I did like the double box. So I'm going to pull out this to use with the bottom washi. So I'm going to just put those together. And then I'm going to need something, let's see. So then I'm just going to go through here actually. So I go through here. I don't need any more of those. I will need some circle icons because every single week I use circle icons. So I'm just going to pull this. It looks like the airplanes are missing, which I might need those. So I'm actually just going to pull out a fresh sheet. I'm actually going to Winter Plannerland this week. So I have the fresh sheet there. And then, let's see. It is Kirsten's birthday this week, so I am going to pull out one of the gold birthday sheets that is in Jessica's handwriting, which is so cute. And I'm just kind of flipping through. I also don't need to pull out any of these sheets because up here, let's grab these. I have some Christmas items, so I do have some different bucket lists. I have the movie bucket list. I have a holiday bucket list, and I have my days till Christmas. So I will use these, but I keep them up here just so they're out of my way, I guess would be the best way to say it. So they're Christmas items that I probably will use. So I don't need anything from there. Bottom washi, I don't think I'm going to do an overlay because like I said, I'm going to do the bows. So then that would be here. And then I have some date covers, which I don't think I'm going to be using. I have hollow items all together. I have some Bennett stuff, which I don't think I need anything. Disney, Harry Potter, engagement. I don't need any of that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that away. Next, I'm going to go through this, which is my smaller foil sheets. It's a pretty thick stack here. So I will probably need some bows this week. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull out a kind of semi-used sheet. I will need some date dots. So I literally just flip through here and I look and see what I need. So I'm going to need some date dots. I'm going to need some mini icons for sure. I usually just pull out like whatever's on top and try and use up those sheets. I'll grab a sheet of the larger icons. Actually, I'll grab two because they're kind of like used and abused. I don't think I'm going to use any corners because I have those snowflake ones. As far as glitter headers go, I think I'm going to use the newer ones, which I'll show you guys. So I have a bunch of some rose colored days mixed in here. I have some stars. Ooh, actually, I think this lends itself almost to the twinkle overlays. Let's do those. I think this would be really pretty with these. So I'm actually going to pull out, I think, 2 sheets of these. These are so pretty, but don't you feel like the vibes with the little lights that they kind of like go? I'm feeling that, so I'm going to pull out 2 of those. Kind of wish I had a quote box. We'll see if I have anything that matches. So I pull out 2 of those. And then let's go into this, which is like other shops foil items. So I think for my little deco pieces, I'm going to use bows. I could use stars, but I feel like I don't like the mismatching stars. So I'm going to use the little foiled bows. I'm probably going to, usually I use these on the sidebar, but I think I kind of want to use these on the sidebar. But I don't know if they're going to be thick enough to match. So I'm actually going to pull out these just in case. These are the Sadie stickers bow header overlays, which I really like. And then let's see what else we have in here that I might need. So these are all of my little quotes. I have a bunch in here. I don't know if I have any. I like the Dear Santa, can I explain for this almost? Because it's like Home Alone. Which would be cute. Yeah, I'm leaning towards that one. This is all random foiled stuff. And I have some wontons. But these corners, no, I'm going a little more less structured this week. And then if I flip all the way to the back, I do have some like holiday stuff that I can flip through. I think I'm good. Ooh, I could put snowflakes on the sidebar. That's okay though. So I think that's what I'm going to work with there. And then I'm going to go into my secret drawer, which is one of my drawers of my Alex here. And I have all my unreleased items. And I think I'm going to pull a couple of things from here. So I think I'm going to pull the weekend banners. I've been really liking using these weekend banners. These will be coming to the shop soon. Ooh, actually. Yeah, I'm going to use these. I'm kind of debating, do I want to use these? Because I feel like the little dots will look like snow. I kind of wish I had twinkles. That's something I might need to do in the future, little twinkles as deco. I might not do deco. I don't know. I like the bows. We'll just keep it as the bows. And then I think for the, ooh, I do have a travel sampler too that hasn't come out yet, but I'll use that, I think. Do I have it in gold? Where are you? Come on, buddy. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, actually I'm going to use these headers. So these are our chunkier headers, so I'm going to use those, I think. I think that's enough contrast. And where is my, oh, there it is. And then I think I'm going to use this, which is like my little travel sheet. That'll be coming to the shop soon. That's in Jessica's handwriting. Because like I said, I am going to Winter Planner Land. Do I want to use anything else? Let's look at my drawer. Anything else I need? I have lots of scripts here. I don't think I need any of them though. No. Okay, I think that's everything I want to use. Also, so this would be everything that I'd pull out in the beginning of the week and be like, okay, this is everything I need to plan. I'm going to use some munchkins from here. And then also to my side, to my right, I have this stack of Christmas stickers. So what I like to do for holidays is I like to organize them in the back of my character binder. And when that holiday, like whenever like Halloween is over, I'll put Halloween back. Sometimes they'll have fall over here, but fall's kind of over. Well, sort of, because it feels like fall here. But I put both of those back, and when I was putting those back, I pull out my Christmas stickers so that I can use these. I feel like this is something I've been doing this year, and I've been using a lot more of my seasonal stickers by doing this. I feel like whenever they're just tucked into my character sticker binder, I forget that I have them, so bringing them out definitely kind of jogs my memory. So these are just a ton of holiday character stickers that I have collected over the years, honestly, at this point. But I'll definitely use some of these in my spread this week for sure, because we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, and I think that's everything. As far as tools to get ready, I do bring out my undo because mistakes do happen. I really love these Cricut tweezers. They're gold and they're like precision point, but I really love these. They came in a pack. I've been using the Energel Selena in 0.3, and then my whiteout of choice is the Tombow Mono Correct Hybrid style, and then I use my gray slice tool, which the cap doesn't work on this either. So I think that's everything that I need to pre-plan this week. I'm really excited to plan this out. Let me know if there's anything else that you normally pull before you start pre-planning. Whenever I planned before, I'd pull out like all my character stickers and stuff, but the way that I plan now, I like do this step first, and then I come back and fill it in later in the week, and I pull out the stickers as I need them and put them away so my desk stays a little bit cleaner. So that's everything I need. Oh, and normally I pull out a piece of scrap paper from my abundant scrap paper drawer to write the days of the week on it, and then I write down what I want to put in my planner. So that's everything for this video. I hope that it gave you a little insight on how I pull all of my items and kind of like go through the motions. Mostly it's just pulling out my foil binders and going through them and seeing what I'll need for the week. So that is everything. I hope you guys like this video, and here's the Advent portion. Advent time, day 10. So let's go ahead and open up this one. This one is a Once More with Love Day, I think. Yes, so this is Once More with Love Day, so you have her card here, which is so cute. I love the little pull floaty. I love the colors of summer that we picked. And how cute is this sheet? So this is on a really cool, it's like a buttery premium matte paper, and it has gold little bows on all these really cute little fruits. I love these. So these are super adorable, and I love this format. I love this paper. I love this foil. I love everything about this, so I'm really excited about this one. And then if we open up this one, we're on day 10, I believe. Yes, on day 10. Okay, day 10, we have more icons. Are these the same foil color as the other day? Let me see. Yes, so these are still in gold foil, but just a different colorway. Super cute.